So you want a van that was specifically designed for adventure, like this new Ford Transit Trail.
Just like regular shoes won't cut it on any hike, regular tires won't cut it when you're off-road. So that's why the first thing you need are big, honking tires. And the Transit Trail has already got them.
You don't appreciate how great a lift kit is until you have one. The Transit Trail gives you more clearance.
In here, fresh air comes from the optional pre-installed roof vent fan.